Hello students, welcome to math class. In our previous class, we have done operation on sets. Here we are going to start exercise problems related to exercise 1.4. First question is find the union of the following sets. In first part, x set is equal to 1, 3, 5, y set equal to 1, 2, 3. We have to find x union y. So what is x union y? We have discussed earlier that the x union y is the set which contain all the elements of x and all the elements of y, but the common elements of x and y are taken only once. So x union y become 1, 2, 3, 5. So here all the elements of x are 1, 3, 5, and here the elements of y are 1, 2, 3, but 3 is common, so we have taken only once. Therefore, x and y become 1, 2, 3 and 5. In second part, A set equal to AEIOU and B set equal to ABC. So, A union B is equal to AEIOU BC. So, here also A is common. So, we have taken A is only once. AEIOU BC are the elements of A union B. Now, in third part, A is equal to set of all those x's such that x belongs to natural number and multiple of 3. Now here firstly list the elements of A set, and that are natural number and multiple of 3, that are 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. And B set equal to set of all those x's such that x is a natural number and x less than 6. So here in this B set the elements are natural number less than 6. So therefore it contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. So therefore A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here 3 is already written. Now next elements are 6, 9, 12, 15 and so on, because these are the multiple of 3. So A union B, again I repeat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 12, 15 and so on. In fourth part, A set equal to set of all those x's such that x is a natural number and x lies between 1 and 6. But here 1 is not included, 6 is included. So the elements are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And B set equal to set of all those x's such that x belongs to natural number and x lies between 6 and 10. Now 6 and 10 are not included. We have to take elements which are in between 6 and 10 natural number, that are 7, 8 and 9. Therefore A union B is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In fifth part, given A set is 1, 2, 3 and B set is 5. So A union B is equal to, now this is empty set. Now A union 5, and that is equal to A, which we have discussed in properties of union operation. So A set is 1, 2, 3. So answer of A union B is 1, 2, 3, that is equal to A set. Now start question number 2. Let A is equal to AB and B is equal to ABC. These are given sets. Now he asks, is A subset B? What is A union B? तो इस क्वेश्चन में पूछ रहा है कि क्या A B का सबसेट है, और है तो उसके बाद आपको A union B फाइंड करना है. So firstly, by the definition of subset, see the all elements of A are A, B, and these elements are also the elements of B set. See, A comma B are the elements of A set and A comma B are also the elements of B set. So all the elements of A are in B set. Hence we can say A subset B. So we can write yes, A subset B, because every element of A is also an element of B. Therefore A union B. In next part he asks A union B. So what is A union B? Take the union operation between these two sets, and that is equal to, it contain all the elements of A and B. So these are A, B and C. In next question number 3, if A and B are two sets such that A subset B, then what is A union B? Now this question is correlated with second question also. In this question here A subset B, सी ए सबसेट बी, यहाँ पे ए बी का सबसेट था, तो ए यूनियन बी किसके इक्वल बनी? ए यूनियन बी डैट इज इक्वल टू ए बी सी. and ABC is equal to B set. So if all the elements of A are in B set, then union of A and B is equal to B set, because B contain all the elements of A set. So in this question, here given A subset B, then what is A union B? Therefore, we can write as given A subset B, which implies every element of A is contained in set B. Hence, A union B is equal to B set. तो इन दोनों सेट की यूनियन जो बनेगी A और B की, वो B set बनेगी if A subset B, because B contain all the elements of A set. In question number 4, given here we have given A, B, C and D 4 sets. So the elements of A set are 1, 2, 3, 4, B set are 3, 4, 5, 6, C that is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, and the elements of D set are 7, 8, 9, 10. Now he asks find A union B. Find A union B. What is A union B? It contains all the elements of A and B, and that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In second part, A union C, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A और C की आपने यहाँ पे यूनियन करनी है, A और C के एलिमेंट्स लिखने हैं. In third part, B union C. Now here you have to take all the elements of B and C. See, the B and C set are, now take the union of these two sets, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Common elements are taken only once. B union D, B और D की यूनियन करेंगे इवन सेट से, that is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No element is common between B and D. In next fifth part, A union B union C. Now see, in first part we have already calculated A union B, and the elements of A union B are these 1, 2, 6. Now take the union of this set with the C set. So take the union of A union B and C set. The elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, because 5, 6 is common between these two. In next sixth part, A union B union D. Again, you have to take A union B. A union B you have calculated in first part, and take the union of this first part with the D set. Now take the union with D set as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are the elements of A union B union D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In seventh part, B union C union D. Now in third part we have already calculated B union C, and the value of B union C is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now take the union of this set with the D set. This is D set in the given D set. So find union of these two sets. These are containing the elements 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, because in B union C 7, 8 is B union C and D 7, 8 is common. So the elements of this set are B union C union D are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. In next question number 5, find the intersection of each pair of sets of question number 1 above. मीन्स आपको फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में जहाँ यूनियन निकाली थी आपने फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में, वहीं आपको इंटरसेक्शन फाइंड करनी है हर पार्ट की. देयर आर 5 पार्ट्स, और 5 पार्ट्स की आपको इंटरसेक्शन फाइंड करनी है. इन फर्स्ट पार्ट x intersection y, because x and y set are given. In first part you have taken x union y, but here you have to take x intersection y. Now what is intersection? So as we discussed earlier, intersection is the common elements. So if we have to take x intersection y, we have to take the common elements of x and y. So the common elements of x and y are 1 and 3, because the elements of x set are 1, 3, 5 and elements of y are 1, 2, 3. So 1, 3, 5 intersection 1, 2, 3, that is equal to 1, 3 set. Only 2 elements are common. In next part, second, yes, A intersection B. So A set is given A, E, I, O, U, and B set is A, B, C, and the elements which are common to both are only 1, that is A set. In third part, A intersection B. A set is 3, 6, 9, 12, so on. Intersection with B set as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there is only one common element, that is 3. We can write 3 set. In fourth part, A intersection B, that is equal to A set is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 intersection with B set as 7, 8, 9. So there is no common element, so we can write it as empty set. So we denote it as 5. In fifth part, A intersection B, that is equal to A intersection 5, because here B set is 5. So A intersection 5 is equal to 5 by the properties of intersection of sets. Let's take sixth question. Here given A, B, C and D sets are. In set A, elements are 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. B set equal to 7, 9, 11, 13. C set is 11, 13, 15. And D set containing 2 elements 15, 17. Find in first part A intersection B. Take the intersection of A and B. Take the common elements of A and B, that are 7, 9, 11. In second part, B intersection C. Take the common elements in B and C, that are 11, 13. In third part, A intersection C intersection D. Now here you have to take firstly A intersection C. I have put here bracket A intersection C and then take the intersection with D set. So what is intersection of A and C? Common elements of A and C are, that is 11 only. Only one element is common, that is 11. And intersection with D set, elements of D set are 15, 17. So 11 intersection 15, 17, that is empty set because there is no common element. We can write it as 5. In next part fourth, it is A intersection C. Now take the common element of A and C. Common element of A and C हमने अभी third part में भी लिखा था, that is only 11. So we can write here 11. In fifth part, B intersection D. Now take the common elements of B and D, and that are B and D, that is only 5 because there is no common element. So we can write it as 5. In sixth part, A intersection B intersection C. Here bracket is with B intersection C. So firstly take the elements which are common to B and C, and that are B और C में common element check कर लो, that is 11 or 13. So we can write A intersection 11, 13. Now take the common elements of 11, 13 with A set. Now A set is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and here is 11, 13. Only one element is common, that is 11. So answer is 11. In seventh part, A intersection D. Now take the common elements of A and D, and that is nothing. So we can write it as 5 set, that is empty. In eighth part, it is A intersection B union D. Firstly take B union D because here bracket is here. So write A set 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 intersection with B union D. Now take the elements of B or D. So here elements of B and D are 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17. B और D के elements लिखने हैं आपने, ठीक है. Now take the intersection of these two sets. So take the common elements, that are 7, 9 and 11. In ninth part, A intersection B union C. Now firstly take A intersection B. In first part we have already calculated, that is 7, 9, 11. And B union C. So take the union of B and C, that is 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Now take the intersection of these two sets, that are common elements between these two sets are 7, 9, 11. Next is 10th part, that is A union D intersection B union C. Now firstly take A union D, and the elements of A union D are 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 15, 17 intersection with B union C, and B union C is 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Now take the intersection of these two sets, take the common elements, that are 7, 9, 11, 15.